Stop by and take a look at the 2026 Atlas Cross Sport. The Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport screams luxury. With its eloquent exterior body lines and its plethora of interior features, this is surely a vehicle you'll want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.